Hello everyone, this is Alejandra and I'm going to be doing another quick and easy card. And this time I'm going to be using the Love What You Do stamp set. I'm going to be using the It's a Beautiful Day as well as the Rooted in Nature stamp set, which is this one because I really like this sentiment. So anyway, I've already have everything here. Let's just go over dimension. This is Tranquil Tide 5.5 by 8.5, and we're gonna be folding it in half. And let's just do that. Then I have a piece of that Design Series paper, which is the Share What You Love, and I have a piece that is 4.5. Is that right? Yeah, 4.5 by 2 1/4. That will go right there. And then I have a piece of Design Series paper that is 1 by 4. So let's just go ahead and glue this one. This one will go right here in the center. Actually, no, let's just put a little bit below the center. And you can see it's smaller than the card base. Then let's just go ahead and glue this one. Oh, what am I doing here? There we go. Oh, there we go. There should go. And I love, you can see here, it has that pearlized shimmery look. So we're going to be putting it like so. And then I've already die cut a square, and this is the second to the largest of the stitch shape framelits. And I'm going to go ahead and, oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to do the stamping. So, I'll do the stamping on this side, but typically I would like to have also here, because I was, I guess, trying to finish this card. I didn't do it. So let's just do that part. I'll put here this. Whenever you're using photopolymer, make sure that you have your foam mat underneath. It just helps you have a crisper look. And for this one, I'm just gonna put here a little bit of the flowers. I should have gotten more here, but that's fine. I mean, I'll just put a little bit there and it should be fine. Then for the sentiment, I'm gonna go ahead and put the It's a Beautiful Day, and I'm also gonna be using Tranquil Tide. I like stamping tone on tone, like on the card base, because I feel like it looks really cute. I'll show you what I mean. Here, don't you think it goes really well? And I have said this a million times, but I don't get tired of saying this, but it's really great how Stampin' Up has everything coordinating. I mean, I really enjoy that part of Stampin' Up, seriously. Everything color coordinate perfectly. Now I'm cleaning this one because I'm going to be using now the mint macaron, and aren't you excited that that color is coming back? I mean, honestly, I think that color is one of my favorites. So I've cleaned my ink pad. I'm sorry, my stamp set, and now I'm gonna be doing the flowers, same flowers, but now in mint macaron, and following the same deal. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit there. There we go. Now, I'm also going to be using a little bit of this, using the mint macaron, which is the same color. And this is just a strip, because I want to hand cut the Be Happy. So let's just do that. And I'm just following the lines here. There we go. There we go. There we go. I feel like this area is a little bit larger. There you go. And let's just put this together. Now for this, I'm going to be using the mini dimensional on this section. I just need the one. Put this one for right now. And I'm going to be putting a little bit of that fast fuse. That way, oh, I can put it like so. And now I'm going to be putting dimensionals on these, which I'm always losing them. Every single time I'm doing a video, I tend to lose my adhesive. I mean, is that not crazy? So now we can just peel off all the little backings of the dimensionals. And we're gonna have it like so. Yes, I think I like it that way. Now, finally on these, I'm gonna be using the shimmer ribbon in Pure Pizzazz. I'm gonna do a bow. Alright, I think I like it. And now I'm gonna be cutting the ends. And I'm going to be putting it like so. I feel like this might be a little bit too big. So let me just cut it a little bit more. There we go. And I'm going to be putting it like so. So I'm going to be using a glue dot for these. Oh, actually, I like this section better. And voila. Here it is. So I hope you have enjoyed it. I really like how this one looks. And again, I'll put the description of all the items that I use on this video, on this card on my video, as well as my blog, creatingwithali.com, where you can get the hostess code. Now, if you place an order using that hostess code, you get the card kit, the monthly card kit on the mail, where I send you all the items to make 4 cards, as well as instructions. It will have the paper, the embellishment, the sans serif paper, and everything that I'm using. And if your order is $50 or more, you've also get the embellishment of the month, which could be a bolt of ribbon, twine, pearls, or some of the faceted dots that are new. So any of those type of things will be included as well. So anyway, so let me know if you have any questions. Leave me a comment with any of your questions. And again, the blog is creatingwithali.com. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.